Hey, what up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about Struct. Struct. I'm saying it right. Yeah, but before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This video is helping you out, like with the basic concepts. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe and like the video and share it if you want. But yeah, we're growing it slowly but steady. All right, so I got some concepts right here in front of me. So in the console. So let's see, in C sharp, let's read that through. In C sharp, struct is the value type data type that represents data structures. It can contain a parameters constructor. I can say that word. A static constructor, constant fields, methods, properties, index operators, events, and nested types. Yeah, it contains all of that. So you can use all of that in or contains all of that, or you can use if you need to, like, all of those different fields, properties, functions, or methods, whatever. A struct can be used to hold small data values that do not require inheritance. Example, coordinate points, key value pairs, and complex data structures. Structs are really used for lightweight struct, so with limited amount of data. Behind the scene, a struct is a value type. Okay, so let's just see an example right here, but let's create our struct. So how do we do is you just go to the project name, you just do right click, you just do add. So there is no struct here, so we just gotta create it as a class, and then we're going to change it. So we're going to call this man, how do we call this? Let's call it info. Yeah, something like that. You can just change to something else if you want. So right here, instead of class, we're going to say struct. Okay, and this struct, we're going to add some properties right here. So we're going to say public string. We're going to say right here description. Yeah, description, if I know how to spell that. And then we're going to create another property. We're going to say public. We're going to do an int right here. Let's put hours, a semicolon, and also we can create just a function or a method. Let's just do public. Will not return anything. We'll just do void, and then say perform task. Okay, I'm going to do that, and right here we're going to say console right there, pan, and then right here we're going to say let's just do a string interpolation right here, no, outside of that, and then we're going to say the following, this I learn, or I love this delicious is that spelled delicious? And then we're going to pass the description right here. Let's use that as description right there, and only took me we're going to say hours. It only took me hours to make it successfully. Okay, cool beans. So now, so we have that. We got our properties, we got our method. Now let's go to our main program, and right here we're going to instantiate a struct using the new keyword, just like we do with the class, right? So we're going to say, what is it, info, and then yeah, we got the using creating a struct. Yeah, so we're going to put info right here, and then I guess we could do that, but we don't need to do that. Just do semicolon, and now we just do info, and let's just access all of those extract properties and methods right here. So we're going to say info that description. Let's go back. Description, we're going to say equals to, what is it, pineapple pie, is that spelled pineapple cake? Pineapple cake. And then hours info that hours, I think it is, yeah. Let's just do let's just do 2 hours or something like that. And then we're going to say info. Let's access our method. So what was the name of the method right here? I think perform, yeah, perform task. Okay, nice. So now let's run the program. Okay, and let's give a sec. Okay, that worked. Look over here, says right here, I love this delicious pineapple cake and only took me 2 hours to make it successfully. Wow, that worked. So this is how we created our struct. This is just a simple basic example. You can expand most on this, like most of the tutorials that I do is just basic, so simple you can understand with simple examples, and then you can expand a lot more if you need to go to the next level. So hopefully this like you. Hopefully this is like you. Hopefully this help you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right. So all right. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.